Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to be redoing a footstool. I have all my things here that I'm going to be using. So let's go ahead and jump in. I already have traced out the frame. So I will be cutting it out. And I'll also be using this pillow. I will be stapling each end. As you can see, this pillow is a little small, but I actually have some more foam that I'm going to be adding to it. So I'm going to be cutting this foam into 2-inch strips. I'll be stapling the foam around the edges. As you can see, I'm not using that many staples. I'll fill in the gaps. Everything that I use will be linked in the description box below. This material here is a leather type. I did purchase a yard from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to cut it in half. Place it over it, make sure it fits. Okay, I'll start by stapling the material all the way around. Now the corners are very tricky, so you will want to overlap the material on the corners. That way you get a smooth edge. If y'all guys are enjoying this video or find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a video. Now I'm adding the base. Make sure my legs fit. Okay guys, it's ready. I decided to make some throw pillows with the extra material. So guys, tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. And as always, I'm wishing you all love, peace, and happiness. Bye.